2020 Triple Threads Baseball for Jed. Thank you very much. This is a 9-box case I got from a distributor and out of my Hobby Direct cases. I do have masters from distributors if anybody would like a whole master. All right, big hit for Jed. Let's go. Well, that's nice right on the back. Be numbered. Luis Robert Orange. 65 of 199. Pedroia out of 18. Josh Hader out of 18. And Yadier Molina out of 50. Aquino rookie. Alvarez rookie. Huh. Nice run of rookies in this pack. Jose Berrios. Man, Jed, good pick on the box. 21 of 25, our 4th Tatis autograph today. Devers out of 50 and Machado out of 199. Nice, Jed. Thanks, man.